Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You ever feel like you're paying way too much just to watch the game? Like the price of cable or those fancy streaming packages is enough to make you want to, well, yell at the refs? What if I told you there's a way to get every major sport live in HD straight on your Fire Stick and it's completely free? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install SportsX on your Fire Stick in under 5 minutes. Now in my previous video I did highlight that Amazon are now cracking down on certain streaming applications. However, it appears at this point that SportsX is not being flagged. With that being said, let's dive in. To complete this setup, we will require the downloader application. So move across to find, drop down to search, hit the select button, and you just have to enter in D for downloader. Once it appears on the list, you can select it. This is the application we're after. Click again and click one more time to start the download. Okay, before we open it, we will need to amend a setting. So if we click the menu button, move all the way across to settings and select My Fire TV. Here we will need to select this menu option, developer options. If you do not see this, highlight about and click, and then click the select button 5 to 6 times, and then you will see the option at the bottom. Now you are a developer. So once downloader is installed and configured, we can go to the apps library and open it up. Double click, and here we need to enter in the code. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, so code for today is 5699355. Then we hit go. Okay, we can now click install, and instead of clicking open, we just select done, and then we can delete the installation files as they are no longer required. Delete, then we can go back to the home screen. Okay, so just remember to use your VPN before opening the application. So let me just enable mine. I'll just click connect on the default location, home button, and open up. Okay, so that's opened up. So I just do a quick test. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If this has helped you out, please drop a comment, share the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.